Hi guys, once again with you on this video. In this video, we want to talk a little bit about our process in being able to get a property and taking the necessary steps in order for you to take it from step one all the way to the final step, which is getting rid of the property and obviously making a profit on the property. If you've been following us on our channel, then you've been seeing that we do various types of work. That's from construction all the way to real estate, and we do investing as well. But today I'm happy to announce that we're basically closing escrow on this property, which is one of our many properties that we've done over the past 15 years. And because we've been able to do that for about 15 to 20 years, we've been able to get a lot of experience and a lot of knowledge of what it takes to get a property, fix it up, put it on the market, and get it out and make a profit at the end of the day. Maybe you've been interested in trying to get into this business, and I could honestly say at the beginning it's a very it could be overwhelming, because in the real estate business you deal with a lot of factors, all the way from being able to locate the property and knowing what the proper property to acquire is, to the construction, to the permits with the city, to getting it back on the market, to selling it, to making a profit. So that all sounds easy in words, but when you actually do it, it can be somewhat overwhelming. So today in our video, we want to show you guys, and we basically want to demonstrate to you guys that what we've been doing for the past 15 to 20 years has benefited us, and it could also benefit you guys. So if you are interested in maybe putting some of that cash flow to work for you, maybe you've been interested in jumping into the real estate market, but really maybe you don't know how to get in or where to start, so you can contact us and we could hold you by the hand and take you along the way, and we'll make this process as easy as possible for you guys. You don't need to know how to do everything. All you really need to know is to get in contact with somebody that can hold you by the hand and take you across the whole way, from step one all the way to the final step, which is selling the home for a profit. We've been doing it for years, guys, and that knowledge that we've been acquiring over the years, we could transfer all that to you. So if you're interested in getting more information on how you can make your money work for you, create something like this, then please get in contact with us. You can also subscribe to our channel or go to oginvesting.com. There you'll find more information, and you'll be ready to take the first step to the future. Thank you guys for being with us, following us, and basically just taking that step. If you like this channel, or if you like the information you're hearing right now, please like and subscribe this channel, and I'll see you on the next one.